Hi there, welcome to the weekly Tron session. So if you're new to these sessions, these are the key areas I'll focus on, and they are based on two main concepts. Also, these sessions are not financial advice, and they are for education, research, and also discussion with online community only. Please take note. So let's get started. Tron, still within the narrow range between the purple and the yellow, not this, the purple and the yellow line. So these two lines are basically the resistance line, now kind of a support line defined by the automatic reaction in terms of Wyckoff method. So last week what happened was the price fell through even the sign of weakness support line, and then it climbed back to where it is now. It's hovering around the purple line. So last week or the week before as well, I've talked about this range. There isn't a strong support, so we don't see any except the very peak at the beginning of Tron. This huge green candlesticks, there's no overlapping trading area, so this is an area where it can provide a little bit of relatively stronger support, and it seems it did by looking at the price action 4 weeks ago. So now what's happening is it seems the traders or whoever the market collective as a collective has tested this line again, and it may retest it in the coming few weeks if there's no positive news coming out for the crypto as a whole. So let's look at the weekly. I've finished weekly and look at the daily. So what's happening in the past 2 days? The price went above the yellow box. The yellow box is a downward trend or downward flag, if you're familiar with candlestick analysis. So last week we talked about this blue box, a short-term upward flag, which by textbook definition is of a bearish sign. So indeed the price went below. However, I also mentioned earlier on in previous sessions, within the short-term playground from the pink box, there is a chance that the price is going to bounce up. So indeed, in the past few days, it tested this boundary, went below a little, but then closes above, and then now rebounds to the bottom of the blue box. So there's a chance that a new blue box is forming. So it may have shifted from here to here. So I'll keep this box here as the bottom of this. It seems now become the resistance line for the price action. So let me extend this further. So next week, in next week's session, we'll be able to see whether that's the case, or if there's really not much of a demand and the distribution, typical finishing of distribution, it returns to the yellow zone, and there's no sufficient buying power when the price hits the bottom of the pink box. Then it will follow the downward trend of the yellow box for a while, until the price go underneath the pink line. So the price action will probably be bouncing between the yellow and the pink. So going back to weekly, that means it could be somewhere around here. So if it falls through even this level around 20 cents, the next level would be at here where the PSY was. That's around 16 to 17 cents. So that's pretty much it for Tron. Thanks for joining. I'll move on to